Good morning. Agnihotra is the next best thing that you can do to rejuvenate the atmosphere. You are doing a service to the whole world by doing Agnihotra. It's purifying 12 kilometers up and 2 kilometers circumference from the point of where you are doing this. It's so powerful. Human life is not easy. It's very difficult. But we have to go through that. Sometimes happiness, sometimes sorrow. We have to be with that. We cannot escape. Certain things we don't know. Certain things we know. When you were in the womb, you never know what was going through you for 9 months. Isn't it? When you came out, then you started knowing little. Same way, there are people who know things who will teach you. Believe it, have faith in it, and practice it. And I am telling you, Agnihotra is one of the best things that you can do to purify the whole world, purify the nature, heal the nature. It will heal you too, from mind and body. God bless you all. Bhadram karnebhi shrunuyama devaah, Bhadram pashyemakshabhiryajatraah, Stirairangaihi stuštuvagum sastanobhihi, Vyashema deva hitam yadayuh, Swasti na indro vruddhasravaah, Swasti na pusha vishwavedaah, Swasti na stharshyo arishtanemihi, Swasti no brahaspadir dadhadu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. God bless you. Signing off. Pranams to Guruji. Pranams to His Holiness Sri Sri Ravi Shankar. Pranams to all the masters in the world, in the past, in the present, and that are going to come in the future. Pranams, pranams, pranams.